Join me as I whip up some epic breakfast quesadillas packed with 70 grams of protein that fuels, gains and tastes amazing. Dive into a game-changing breakfast recipe that's not only delicious, but also packed with protein to fuel your fitness goals. I'm talking about a whopping 70 grams of protein in a single serving. That's right, folks, we're taking breakfast to the next level, scrambling to find a quick and easy breakfast option that's high in protein and actually tastes good. I mean, who has time to whip up an omelet or scramble some eggs every morning? And don't even get me started on the boring old protein shakes. They're just not satisfying, are they? It's tough to find a breakfast that checks all the boxes. It's gotta be quick, easy, high in protein, and actually taste amazing. I've tried countless breakfast recipes, and let me tell you, most of them fall short. Either they're lacking in protein, or they're just plain boring. But today, I'm gonna show you a recipe that's gonna change the game. We're talking protein-packed quesadillas. People, it's a total breakfast revolution. Think about it. Quesadillas are the perfect breakfast food. They're easy to make, they're portable, and they can be customized to fit your fitness goals. And when you pack them with 70 grams of protein, you've got a meal that's gonna fuel your gains and keep you satisfied till lunchtime. We've got a beast of a protein powder, some creamy cottage cheese, eggs, and of course, some whole wheat tortillas to wrap it all up. These ingredients not only provide a ton of protein, but they're also packed with nutrients and fiber to keep you full and focused throughout the morning. Start by mixing up our protein powder and cottage cheese. This combo is a game changer. Folks, the protein powder provides a boost of protein, while the cottage cheese adds some serious creaminess to the mix. Next, we're gonna crack in some eggs and mix it all up. This is where the magic happens. People, the eggs not only add protein, but they also help bind our filling together. Now it's time to cook up our quesadillas. Simply heat up a non-stick pan, throw in our tortillas, and add our protein-packed filling. Cook it all up until the tortillas are crispy and the filling is hot and steamy. It's time to get ready for a breakfast like no other. Our epic 70 grams protein breakfast quesadillas are ready to devour. These bad boys are not only delicious, but they're also packed with protein to fuel your fitness goals. I mean, just look at that cheesy, eggy goodness. It's a breakfast lover's dream come true. A high-protein breakfast doesn't have to be boring or time-consuming. With these quesadillas, you can fuel your gains and satisfy your taste buds. It's a win-win. Folks, thanks for tuning in. If you're as obsessed with high-protein meals, let me know in the comments below. What's your go-to breakfast recipe? And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more healthy recipes and fitness tips.